Okay, it's Blackheath. Oh, we're just getting a bit of sleet. Just a few little wet, sleety flakes. That wind has just gone feral. Oh. But there are a few flakes falling. Very wet, but oh come on, it's probably really hard. It's always hard to pick up on the video camera, unfortunately. But okay, it's Blackheath. We've got a few very wet, sleety, kind of wet flakes occasionally. There's a bit of moisture coming too. In fact, a bit of moisture behind this moisture too. So should actually be up in Blackheath because the altitude would actually help. About 40 metres lower than the highest point. So yeah, come on, sleety flakes. Come on, we got sleet. Please, come on. Probably all we'll get. Yeah, there's a few flakes. Come on, we got a few sleety flakes. Just every now and then you can see it. Come on! Just gotta hold on to my window, otherwise my window's gonna get trashed. Oh, come on. The wind has just gone mental. Come on, please, just give us a few minutes. Oh, here's a few sleety flakes. Come on, come on. Okay, I'm just going to keep recording, just in case it throws down some really good sleety, wetty flakes. But, oh, there's a few. There's a few. There's a few flakies. Oh, check that out. It's not much, but it's technically sleet. Little sleety flakes in that. Oh, there we go. That's a bit of that better. Yep, I think that's just about stopped.